of nomenclature and plants, that is called ICN. So, as the International Botanical Congress in Melbourne in July 2011, as part of the Melbourne Code, 2011 to Melbourne Codes are ICNEs and plants other than plants. Example, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosons, and angiosperms. These are called the other than plants of ICN. Is now dealing with the recommendation for non-formal botanical names of algae, fungi, and taxonomic related to the non-photosynthetic. Non-photosynthetic groups, photosynthetic groups, the two type of the groups are related. The photosynthetic groups is also called algae, then bryophyte, then pteridophyte, then germaceous. Fungi is also non-photosynthetic groups. These are two type of the groups may be related to classification of the plants. Then principles of ICN. So what are the principles? The botanical nomenclature is dependent on the zoology or botanical name. Then bacteriology, viral nomenclature, and also called which are accordance with the botanical codes. So we are changes to the classification systems or nomenclature types. Then the application of the names of taxonomy groups is determined by the means of nomenclature types. So these nomenclature types is also called a taxonomy groups based upon the priority of publication. So this is a important. What is the means of priority? And this priority is each taxonomy group or taxon plants has only one correct name that is called accepted worldwide. Worldwide priority names. So names of the taxa are treated as the Latin word only, Latin language only. The rules of nomenclature are so retroactive unless are expressly limited names of plants. Only single plants which called must denoted the only one name, not more than one. That is called principles of ICN. The nomenclature sections, the 18th International Botanical Congress in Melbourne, Australia, 2011, made some changes. The code new permits electronic only publication of the name or new names also called taxa. Then no longer will be the requirement to the deposit some paper copies of a libraries. Means it is based on the floras and also called and you say then manuals. The requirements of a Latin validating diagnosis or a description was changed to the allow either English or Latin names. These are essential to the calling of the plans. That is called one important principles of the plan. So this is also these characters are made binomial nomenclature. The binomial nomenclature also called the binary nomenclature. Means every plant name must call the two names. First name is generic name, second one is specific name. But generic and specific, both names are binomial nomenclature. It is a formal system of naming species of living things. Binomial nomenclature were proposed by Swedish botanist, by physician Carl and Carl von Linnaeus. Before Gaspard Bahin was the first scientist to report the binomial nomenclature. Then this lineage was a follow to the Gaspard Bahin nomenclature and also written the book of Systema Naturae book. That is in 1707 to 1778. He published in the Species Plantorum and also Systema Naturae, two books. The Species of Plantorum was the beginning of a modern, also called a modern botanical nomenclature, and it described the first time over 7,000 species of plants. That is called a Species Plantorum book, which is the name of the species made of the two parts, one indicating the genus and the other indicating the species, both of which are a Latin grammatical forms, such as a name is called the botanical name also got a binomial name, also got a scientific name. So this is also important of the character features of the plants, organisms. Only any part of the plant which called the two names that is called. So the first letter of the genus is always capitalized in writing, but first letter of the species of the small generic name is definitely first name capital. The species name is also small letter. Both parts of the in the utilized when the binomial nomenclature. Utilized means in the typing, which are utilized without type is also underlines. Underlines. The normal text are underlined in handwriting. For the example, also got women belongs to the genus Homo, and also within this genus is also Homo sapiens. Homo means H cap, S sapiens means small s. This is also botanical name, correct name that is got a written name, typed that is also italics. So in scientific works, the authority for a binomial name is usually given, for example, so Amaranthus, so retrifoliar flex. L is the standard abbreviation used for the lineage. Last one is L. L is also close to the bracket. L means lineage, reported the first scientist of the botanical name of a. So it is Amaranthus genera. Amaranthus genera, that is one quality of the plants. So then uh, so this one is the taxonomic ranks. So the taxonomy also refers to the taxonomy group belongs to the any the rank. The the examples of nomenclature, it provides the so hierarchical arrangements of a ranks. So every brand is treated as a belongs to the number of taxa or such are assistant to the so particular rank. So fossil taxa may be treated as a morpho taxa. That is different. And fossils are not flowering, only morphology characters are based. So the seven principal obligatory ranks of taxa proposed by the ICBN in describing the sequences are kingdom, division, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and also species, which are the seven names which are major important for the taxonomic rank. So this is also the ending of the name indicate the rank with any examples of the mango. Mango, kingdom A, E ending words. Example, plante. Subkingdom, biota, tracheo, division, phyta, that is got a magnetophyta, subdivision, phytina, not there, class, Apsida, Magnoliopsida, subclass, then Apsidae, Ide, Usidae, order Elis, Sapendalis. Then also got a family AC, Anacardiaceae, genus Mangifera, species Indica. This is a correct name of suffixes based to return the scientific or a classification system. The total how many steps are there, then kingdom or subkingdom, one division, subdivision, two class, subclass, three order, suborder, four family, five genus, six also got a species, seven. The seven codes, seven and grades, which are called a principles of nomenclatures. Then these principles of the nomenclature is, which is also the seven principles are so obligatory ranks of tags are proposed by the ICBN institutions. So this is also the types and also called a typification. What is a